I've never found anything crazy like this, you know.
Yoel Rubio was biking along Keegan's Bayou a typical morning until he spotted this.
I didn't even know what was happening. I was kind of a little scared because I'm like, what the heck, you know.
Police believe water from last night's storm lifted this casket out of the ground from nearby Riceville Cemetery. After Yoel spotted it, he tried to move it, but it was too heavy, so he called police.
I've never seen something like that, but I mean, that was crazy.
Once crews arrived on scene, they found a woman's body inside. An unusual post-storm discovery that Yoel says he's actually glad he made.
Now the lady could rest in peace again.